So most people solve this question like cancel this 8 by 4 is equal to 4 divided by 1. Now 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, we have one division and one multiplication, and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part, right? So is equal to 4. Now, according to KCF rule, K means keep this 4 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this second fraction 1 upon 4 is equal to 4 upon 1. Right? Multiply 8. Now 4 upon 1 is equal to 4. So we can remove this 1. Right? So now here we have multiplication and here we have multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Right? So 16 times 8. Now 16 times 8. So 8 times 6 is equal to 48. So here is 8. 4 carry. 8 1 8 plus 4 is equal to 1. So 128 is the correct answer, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.